The world has fallen silent. Weeks have passed since the power grid failed. The hum of machines, the glow of screens, and the bustle of traffic are gone, replaced by an unsettling quiet. Food is scarce. The last tins are nearly empty, and hunger is a constant companion. Survival is now a daily struggle. Weakness is a luxury no one can afford. Panic clouds judgment. A single mistake can mean the difference between life and death. We're stripped of modern conveniences, forced to rely on skills long forgotten. The river, once a place of leisure, is now a lifeline, a source of water and, crucially, food. But the fishing gear we once relied on is gone, lost in the chaos. The solution swims before us, but the tools to catch it are a memory. Desperation can consume you, or it can force you to adapt. We must look to the past, to the skills of our ancestors. They survived with only their ingenuity and what nature provided. The earth is a toolbox, filled with everything needed to survive. Ancient knowledge is our salvation. We must learn to see the world not as hostile, but as a provider. To survive, we must learn to fish as our ancestors did. The silence of this new world demands it. In this crisis, we turn to one of humanity's oldest fishing tools, the gorge hook. Simple, clever, and requiring no metal, it's a sharpened piece of hard material tied at the centre. Cultures worldwide have used it for millennia, a testament to human ingenuity. This guide will show you how to craft and use a gorge hook from natural materials. Whether you find hardwood, bone, or stone, you can make this tool almost anywhere. Mastering the gorge hook is more than a survival trick. It's a reconnection with our roots. With this knowledge, the river becomes a place of opportunity, not frustration. Modern fishing gear is precise and effective, but it's fragile and finite. Rods snap, reels jam, and once your supply of hooks and lines is gone, it's gone for good. In a survival scenario, you can't manufacture more monofilament or steel hooks in the wild. Every lost lure is a permanent loss. Our ancestors' tools, like the gorge hook, are endlessly replaceable, crafted from the environment itself. Break a wooden gorge, carve another, lose your cordage, twist new fibres. The key difference: modern tools are consumed, primitive tools are created. Survival demands a shift from consumer to creator. We don't need specialized equipment, just resourcefulness. The gorge hook proves that simple solutions endure. It works anywhere, can be made from almost anything, and has stood the test of time. In a world where reliability matters most, the gorge hook is the ultimate tool. Simplicity is survival. The gorge hook is ancient, used across continents for over 20,000 years. Archaeologists find them everywhere, carved from bone, wood, or ivory. These weren't ceremonial. They were tools of survival. The design is consistent. A straight spindle, sharp at both ends, notched in the middle. Its effectiveness is universal, relying on simple physics. The gorge is swallowed whole. A tug on the line turns it sideways, lodging it securely. Unlike modern hooks, a gorge is almost impossible for a fish to dislodge. This tool has fed generations through every hardship. By learning it, we honour our ancestors and equip ourselves for any crisis. The gorge hook is timeless survival wisdom. The first step is choosing the right material for your gorge hook. Look for hard, dense wood, oak, hickory or maple, or use bone from animal remains. The ideal piece is pencil-thick, dry and strong. Bone splinters from small mammals or birds are excellent, already shaped for your needs. Don't overlook antler, shell or hard stone if you can shape them. The key, strength and the ability to hold a point. For your line, use inner bark, plant fibres or animal sinew. Test it for strength. Your gorge hook is only as good as your line. Nature provides everything you need, if you know what to look for. With your material ready, crafting the gorge hook is straightforward. Cut a straight piece about 1 to 2 inches long. Sharpen both ends to fine points using a knife or sharp stone. Carve a shallow groove around the centre for your line. Tie your cordage securely in the groove. A constrictor knot works well. Test the connection. The gorge should hang horizontally. The result? A simple, double-pointed tool ready for fishing. This process transforms a twig or bone into a life-saving device. Precision and patience matter. Your survival may depend on it. With practice, you'll craft gorge hooks quickly and confidently. Now you're ready to fish. Baiting a gorge hook is different from modern hooks. Conceal the gorge completely inside the bait. Worms, insects or small meat pieces work well. Thread the gorge lengthwise through the bait with the line exiting the middle. The bait should look natural, enticing the fish to swallow it whole. Set your line by tying it to a flexible branch or holding it by hand. Choose promising spots, deep pools, submerged logs, or slow eddies. Patience is key. Wait for the fish to swallow the bait fully. Resist pulling at the first nibble. Wait for a steady, consistent tension. Timing is everything. A premature pull means a lost catch. With practice, you'll sense the right moment. The art of waiting is as important as the tool itself. The gorge hook is an internal trap, not a piercing hook. When a fish swallows the bait, it pulls on the line. This tension pivots the gorge sideways inside the fish's throat. The sharp points dig in, making it nearly impossible for the fish to spit it out. The width of the gorge secures the catch. Once set, maintain steady pressure and pull the fish in. This simple mechanism has worked for thousands of years. No advanced metallurgy, just leverage and observation. The gorge hook is functional elegance, born of necessity. It's a testament to the power of simple physics in survival. The gorge hook teaches us that ancient methods can save lives when modern systems fail. Mastering this skill builds self-reliance and resilience. It transforms fear into capability and connects us to the natural world. Survival skills aren't just for crises. They enrich our lives and honour our heritage. We are not helpless without gadgets. We are resourceful by nature. Creating and using a gorge hook strips survival to its essentials, a sharp point, a strong line, and patience. This is the wisdom of countless generations. With this knowledge, you are never helpless. Start learning now. Carve a point, twist some fibres. The wisdom of our ancestors is your most powerful tool. Don't wait for a crisis to claim it.